Jake Warner here from the Penrith Solar Center, and today we're going to show you how to claim your $750 Tesla rebate on your Tesla Powerwall 2. Now, of course, this applies to people that had a Tesla Powerwall 2 installed in Australia between the 11th of August 2023 to December 31, 2023. First things first, you'll want to open up your Tesla app. You want to swipe across to your home, which is eligible for the Powerwall rebates. Click support, and if you're eligible for the Powerwall rebates, you can click Powerwall rebate. Now, it's important to note that the $750 rebate is available per Powerwall. So for example, if you installed 2 Tesla Powerwalls, you'll be eligible for $1,500 worth of cash back. Now hit start. You'll want to fill out your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and select how you paid for the Powerwall. Did you pay cash? Was it a loan? Or did you get it on a PPA perhaps? Then you'll want to upload a proof of purchase. This could be any documentation from your solar installer, but I would be sure to include your invoice. Then hit next. Powerwalls that have been commissioned between the 11th of August 2023 and the 31st of December 2023 are eligible. Once submitted, your request will be reviewed and the rebate will be transferred to your account. Tesla serial numbers of your Powerwalls that are eligible, potential rebate of $1,500 for this site. Again, it is $750 per Powerwall, and then click next. You'll want to add a payment method, so click add payment method, add bank account, and put in your bank account. Once you've entered in your bank account details, on your app it will say Powerwall rebate request submitted. You can click on the request. It says we have received your request. The amount will be transferred to your account once your request is reviewed and approved. Thanks so much for joining us on how to claim your Tesla Powerwall rebate with PSC Solar Academy.